If you want to organize your photos in Microsoft OneDrive, upload multiple images at once and keep them together in one easy-to-find album-style folder, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create a photo album in OneDrive by using a folder, then uploading multiple photos into it so everything stays neatly grouped together. This is a simple method, but it's incredibly useful for keeping travel photos, event pictures, school files, or work images organized in one place. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main OneDrive page, look for the section called My Files and click on it. This is where all of your files and folders are stored, and it's the best place to create your album folder. Now, at the top of this page, click New, then choose Folder. A small box will appear asking you to name the folder. This is where you create your album name. You can name it something simple like Vacation Photos, Family Album, Birthday 2026, or anything that helps you recognize the collection later. After typing in the folder name, click Create. Once the folder is created, open it by clicking on the folder name. This is an important step because whatever you upload next will go directly into that folder, keeping your photos together like an album. Inside the folder, look for the Upload button at the top of the screen and click it. From the menu that appears, select Files. A file picker window will open on your computer. Now locate the photos you want to add to your OneDrive album. To upload multiple photos at once, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac. Then click each image you want to include. You can also select a whole range of photos if they're next to each other. Once you've highlighted all the photos you want, click Open. OneDrive will begin uploading the selected images into your folder. Depending on how many photos you chose and how large the files are, this may take a few moments. You'll usually see the upload progress right on the screen. When it finishes, all of your photos will appear inside the same folder, and that's really the key idea here. In current OneDrive personal accounts, the folder acts like your album. So instead of uploading one photo at a time or trying to organize everything later, you can create a dedicated folder first and then drop all your images into it together. That keeps your collection tidy, easy to find, and simple to share if you ever want to send the folder link to someone else. If you want, you can repeat this process for different events or categories. For example, you might create separate folders for trips, family, screenshots, receipts, or work projects. That way, your OneDrive stays organized and you always know exactly where your pictures are stored. So to quickly recap, open OneDrive, go to My Files, create a new folder, name your album, open the folder, click Upload, choose Files, select multiple photos, and click Open. Your images will upload together and remain grouped inside that folder. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft OneDrive tips, cloud storage tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.